What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to create an event on your calendar app on your iPhone. Now there's a bunch of different features when it comes to creating an event on this app, and I'm going to go through all those features today so you'll know exactly what you need to do and all the different functions that you could have with this app, because it's really a great scheduling app, especially if you have a lot on your plate and it's hard to remember the exact date on things. You can just write it in there and get notifications, write notes, whatever you want. You name it, and it's probably inside of this app. So upon opening the app here, you could kind of see a layout of the day and the calendar months if you want to zoom out as well. But what we're looking for here is actually to hit the plus icon in the top right corner. And what this is allow you to do is add an event. So whenever you're going to want to continue to add an event, you could just hit that plus. And you could also use Siri to create an event in your calendar, but it's not in depth. It's kind of just something that you could do if you're in a hurry. But if you want to put in an in-depth event, that's how you do it. So you could put the name of the event, the location at the top, what time it starts, what time it ends. You could also choose all day if it's like a birthday or something like that. And then you see the calendar. If you want to change the time zone, you have that option. If you want to repeat it, like for example, this task is go to the store, I could have my store trip weekly and just have it repeat and just write it down on my schedule. That way I don't have to write it all the time. You can include the travel time, and then there's even a box at the bottom to include whatever notes you want about the event to remember it. If you're on a tight schedule, like I said, that is really helpful to have that all in one app. And there you could see that event is on my calendar. And then you could also see that there's a little dot below the days that the events are on. So when I set this repeating event, you could see that every day in that month is continued on Friday over and over again. That's all I got for you in today's video though. If you did have any questions or were confused on anything as far as creating events go, comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Other than that, if you found this video helpful today, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.